In this video, we will discuss the T account for allowance for bad debt. Okay? So sige, let's start. Ano nga ba ang normal balance ng account na to? Is it an asset, a liability, or an equity account? Yes, it's an asset account. Specifically, it's a contra asset account, meaning binabawasan niya yung amount ng isang asset account. Okay? Since ang normal balance ng mga asset account ay debit, so anong normal balance ng allowance for doubtful accounts or allowance for bad debt na isang contra asset? Tama. Ang normal balance niya ay credit. Okay? Kaya ang beginning balance ay nasa credit side. Okay. Next, check naman natin to, ang recovery. Okay, bakit nasa credit side? Sige, recap lang natin no, yung journal entry kapag nagre-recover tayo ng accounts previously written off. Ayan. So kapag nagre-recover tayo ng accounts, okay, na previously written off, nagke-credit tayo ng allowance for doubtful accounts or allowance for bad debts. Okay? Kaya nasa credit side ang recoveries. Next, check naman natin to. Sige, i-recap natin ano nga ba yung journal entry kapag nagre-recognize tayo ng bad debt expense. So kapag nagre-recognize tayo ng bad debt expense, kapag ito ay magiging doubtful yung account of collection. Now, as you can see, nag-credit tayo dito ng allowance for bad debts. Okay, or allowance for uncollectible accounts or allowance for doubtful accounts. Meaning, tumaas yung allowance for bad debts, which is a contra asset account. Ayan. What about write-off? Okay, sige, recap natin. Paano nga ba tayo nag-write off? So, pag nag-write off tayo, nagde-debit tayo ng allowance for bad debt. Yung effect niya sa account ay nababawasan yung amount. So, again, bakit write-off? Kasi yung basis natin ay ang journal entry. Okay? Sige, bakit nasa debit side ang ending balance? Okay, so na-explain na dito sa kabilang video, okay, sa previous video, kung bakit nilalagay natin sa opposite side ng normal balance ang mga ending amount. Okay, if hindi nyo pa napapanood yung previous video, may link sa taas or may link sa description box below. Okay? Next, we will discuss estimating doubtful accounts in another video.